Hey guys, I'm Pro, and in today's video I want to talk to you about why I've changed my audio interface. I have a short unboxing video for the new interface, and after that, let's talk about it. So, as you can see, I've got an RME UFX Plus. It replaces the old RME interface. It was an UCX. I didn't have any issue with the older interface, but I wanted more inputs and more outputs. And the reason for that is I want to bring more analog hardware into my setup. I want to bring a 500 series rack. I want to add modules to that rack. EQs, compressors, and other different things that I can use, that I can showcase to you guys, that I can use in my tutorials. I want to see if it really makes a big difference when it comes to hardware versus in the box. I have planned a lot of videos based on that subject. This was a really big investment for me. This interface is really expensive. I've saved for a few months for it, and I've decided that okay, let's go for it. This is a future-proof interface. It has USB 3, it has Thunderbolt, it has MADI, it has ADAT, a lot of connectivity. Unfortunately, I will not gonna use all the things that I paid for. For example, I have 4 mic pre's. I just use 1 mic pre, and that's when I'm recording voiceover for the videos. I don't think that I'm gonna reach the limit of channels with this interface. I think it's close to 100 channels. But I hope that I will have enough money to invest in hardware. Now I want to give you an advice when it comes to buying new gear. Buy the best that you can afford. And I'm talking here about a few key elements from your home studio. If you're a rapper and you want to record vocals, buy the best microphone you can afford. Buy the best preamp that you can afford, the best interface, a really nice pair of headphones, the acoustic treatment that allows you to learn the tools without thinking about changing them in the future. To learn from my mistakes, I got a UCX. I was thinking that was enough for the studio. It was for a year, but after that I expanded. I've added some analog gear, and from that point I couldn't do anything else, so I got stuck. And it's a lot better just to have a piece of gear for multiple years. And when you get something like a really expensive interface from a well-known company like RME, you get the build quality, you get the drivers, you know that it's gonna last. I know it seems like a big investment, but I know that I can keep this interface for 10 years. That's really worth it for me. I will not have to change the setup. I only have 2 analog hardware, and changing the audio interface requires a lot of work, a lot of cables, a lot of testing, installing, uninstalling and things like that. It's really a pain in the ass, so go with the best possible thing that you can afford. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions about audio interfaces, what do I recommend, if you want me to review the new interface, or if you want me to review any other interfaces like budget interfaces. I'll try and do that. Just let me know. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm trying to get another video out later this week, tutorial, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification button, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook. See you guys next time.